Hello guys, let's see, in this video tutorial I will tell you how to fix IDM, that is, as we know that internet download manager. Sometimes you know that it's not going to be a functional in a Google Chrome. So at that condition, for example, let's see here, when you open the Google browser, what you see in here, see more tools, where we will go in a extension here, not activated, items not enabled. So that condition, what you will do, if you go in the another browser, suppose Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, of course, Opera, then automatically it's enabled. But here in a Google Chrome, it's not a functional. So how you will fix in the Google Chrome does, it will be a functional. So that condition, nothing you have to do and nothing to worry. Of course, it's easy to the fix. So see, here we will minimize off and keep it at the left side in your display of your computer and open Internet Download Manager. Here open a file location and here, my dear, see, here you have to choose that yes, IDMC is IDMGCA ext.crx. Yes, here you have to select, and after selecting, just you have to drop here in a browser and see. If I leave here, automatically we will have the options, come to add extension. So of course we will click here, add extensions. Now see, the message is coming. If you want to use the IDM integration in incognito in the browse mode, to open extension page and turn on allow the yes incognito, of course, checkbox for IDM integration module extension. So just we will cut here. Now see, it's your enable. If you would like to enable, of course this will be enable now. When you would like to enable in a Google browser, it will be now functional totally. Now any kind of the video easily accessible by your audience, because now it's able in your browser. Now here see, and also symbol can here, because now it's enabled. When you enable, then it will be hidden. Yeah. But when you develop this, it will be able. So it's easy, my dears, to fix of this. Nothing worried further. It's a request it's really beneficial and benefited to you. And please like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great time.